Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and we finally made it over the hump. Got a couple of watch faces for you to check out for your Gear 3, your Gear Sport, your Gear 2. So get ready, here it comes. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a couple of watch faces for you to check out for your Gear 3, your Gear 2, and your Gear Sport. The name of the watch face is called Gear S3 Modell 5. Now the watch face looks really good, and in the always on mode you're going to get a classic look. It's not a bad look at all, but when the watch face is on, it looks really nice, very vibrant, adds a lot of shortcuts and features. So what I like about the watch face is the color, and you got Gear 3 at the top written out. Love that because I'm playing the Gear 3. You got your music, you can get into your settings, you got info on your steps, your weather, your calendar, and you get your date and your year down here. Now I'm not liking that, I'm not a fan of that, but it doesn't take away from the watch at all. And it is interactive, so if I tap on the calendar, I can go in and take a look at my calendar and events. I can get my weather. It won't allow me to go into steps, but it will allow me to go into my settings if I need to, and what's most important, my music. So as you just seen, you can customize the color of the watch face, and it has quite a few colors that you can customize it to, which isn't bad at all. I'm liking it. What do you think, guys? Just hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Number two is called Gear 3 Modell 4. This one here, basic, simple, everyday watch face, fun watch face that you need in your lineup. Now, this one is nice. It's got Gear 3 written up at the top as well. You got a couple of dials, but you do get info on your battery, your heart rate, your steps. You got a little animation going on right there with your day and your date down at the bottom. So this is not a bad look. You get a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Again, it's a fun looking watch face. Don't have no interactiveness to it at all, but I think it's decent looking. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.